1. Adjust the loop on the GCS backplate to a size slightly smaller than the top of the gaming chair's backrest. Attach the loop to the chair backrest. Slide the loop on the GCS backplate over the top of the gaming chair's backrest. 2. Secure the shoulder straps. Pass the shoulder straps from the GCS backplate over the shoulders of the gaming chair and thread them through the gap between the backrest and the seat cushion. 3. Guide the straps through the opening. Pull the straps through the lower opening on the backplate. 4. Simultaneously tighten both straps and fasten them using the Velcro patches to secure the backplate in place. 6. Attach the GCS base to the backplate. Tighten the screws to fix the GCS body to the backplate. Adjust the height of the front arms and position the left and right surround sound grills to align with your ears. 7. Align and connect the structure of the overhead channels with the limiter notches on the GCS body. 8. Connect the power cable and HDMI cable to the corresponding ports, and then turn on the power. The installation is complete.